Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Nur Khosyatillah with name 1212120-189. I am a third semester student of the Islamic Religious Education Study Program, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher at the State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. Okay, in this video, I will fulfill my semester exam for the English for Islamic Studies Part 2 course, which is guided by the lecturer, Mr. Hafid Ali, SPD, M.Hum. Here, I will briefly and concisely retell the contents of the film Laskar Pelangi, as well as reveal what lessons can be learned after watching the film. Enjoy watching! Oke, pertama yaitu pemeran utama yang ada dalam film Laskar Pelangi. Yang pertama adalah Zulfani S. Ikal, terus yang kedua Ferdian S. Lintang, ketiga Ferry Yamano S. Mahar, keempat Jeffrey Anwar S. Eren, kelima Dewi Ratia Ayusa Fitri S. Sahara, keenam Suherdi S. Kiong, ketujuh Marcella Eljola S. Flo, kedelapan Febriansah S. Borek, ke-9 Yogi Nugraha S. Sif, ke-10 M. Gratitude of Ramadan S. Syahdan, lalu ke-11 Suharyadi Syah Ramadan S. Trapani, ke-12 Levina S. A. Ling, ke-13 Cutmini S. A Muslim Woman, ke-14 ada Ika Nagara S. Pak Harfan, lalu yang ke-15 Slamet Raharjo S. Mr. Zulkarnain, ke-16 Matias Mucus S. Mr. Ikal, lalu yang ke-17 ada Teku Rifnu Wikana S. Pak Bakri. Lalu kemudian pemeran pendukungnya yang pertama yaitu Rike Diah Pitaloka S. Ikal Semagar, kedua ada Jajang C. Nur S. Pak Harfan Wife, ketiga ada Alex Komang S. Mr. Lintang, keempat ada Robi Tumewu S. Ling Father, kelima ada Tara Sugiro S. Pak Mahmud, keenam ada Lukman Sardi S. Adult Ikal, dan yang terakhir yaitu yang ketujuh ada Aryo Bayu S. Adult Lintang. Selanjutnya yang akan dibahas yaitu sinopsis dari film Laskar Pelangi ini. Oke. The Laskar Pelangi film tells about the lives of children from poor families in Belitung Village. They attend one of the oldest elementary schools on the island, namely SD Muhammadiyah. This school only has 10 students, so it is in danger of being closed and forcing these children to stop going to school. The 10 children are Ikal, Lintang, Mahar, Akio, Syahdan, terus Borek, Sahara, Kucai, Trepani, and Harun. They go to school to make their dreams and goals come true. The Muslim woman, played by Cutmini, is the only teacher teaching at the elementary school. Meanwhile, Pak Harfan, played by Ika Nagara, is the principal of SD Muhammadiyah. Bu Muslimah and Pak Harfan are trying to keep the elementary school, from being closed down. Initially, Muhammadiyah elementary school students only consisted of 9 students. Then came Harun, a mentally retarded child who became a savior in the minds of teachers and students' worries about the fate of his school, which was about to be closed. Harun is the 10th student who has made elementary school Muhammadiyah, survive and continue his study activities as usual. While Ikal is the main character of the film Laskar Pelangi who has an interest in the world of literature, he often writes poetry and reads it in front of his teacher and friends. There is also Lintang, a student of poor fishing family who excels. He dreams of becoming a mathematician. In addition, there is one student who has talent in art, namely Mahar. when the school was about to take part in a competition. Mahar sparked the idea of dancing with rare plants in Belitung. When the competition arrived, it turned out that the plant made eating all over the students' body, make them dance like crazy. However, this idea made elementary school Muhammadiyah the winner of the competition. The days that have passed are increasingly carving memories, kinship, happiness, and full of laughter. Although every day they have to fight to get to school. Even Lintang, a Jenny student, had to take a fairly steep journey through lakes and hills. Okay, one day, students get information about a quiz contest. Then Lintang, Ikal, and Sahara took part in the race. In the midst of the existing limitation, the three students were able to prove their abilities by defeating Dr. Zulfikar, elementary school PN teacher, which is an elite school in Belitung. They are very happy to continue to improve their achievement. The Laskar Pelangi film success in getting 12 Indonesian professional actors with 12 awards each for local Belitung children who were considered successful in acting. This 125-minute film is very inspiring with many positive values that can be learned. The next is moral message of the Laskar Pelangi film. Number 1, lack is not an obstacle to doing great things. Number 2, close friendship can make life more enjoyable. Number 3, always involving God in any case. Number 4, hope is not always directly compared to reality. Number 5, simplicity can actually make us happy. Number 6, must always respect parents and teacher. Number 7, whatever it is, eventually one will return to the real home. Number 8, grateful for what we have. Number 9, always try and be enthusiastic even though sometimes there are those who always put us down. Number 10 is must strengthen each other. Okay, next again about the advantage of the Laskar Pelangi film in social life. Okay, number 1, difficult circumstances are not barriers to achieving your dreams. It means it is described that the condition of every student at Muhammadiyah Elementary School is not from affluent circles, coupled with the lack of infrastructure and the school building, which is almost collapsed, is not an obstacle for children to keep learning. Some of them even have to travel very far to be able to sit on the school bench. This film teaches us that no matter how difficult we face it, there is always a way to get through it. Being grateful is the key. Number 2, being different is not a disadvantage but a privilege. The meaning is in one of the scenes where Muhammadiyah children take part in a carnival where they only use laughter as their custom. At first, they are looked at by the audience. However, their uniqueness is the added value so they can win the race. Being different isn't a bad thing. Sometimes you just need to settle down to be yourself. Okay, the last, number 3, is education is a place to find new views. The meaning is this film tells the story of the children's struggle, which is certainly very touching. They persistently continue their education despite all the shortcomings that exist. Of course, this is also a blow for us who can now easily get an education. Okay, the next about vocabularies can relate to the topic is number 1, teaching, yaitu pengajaran. Yang kedua, Number 2, develop is mengembangkan. Number 3, challenge is tantangan. Number 4, cause is menyebabkan. Number 5, mediator is pelantara. Number 6, friendly is bersahabat. Number 7, separated is memisahkan. Number 8, river is merujuk. Number 9, improve is memperbaiki. And the last, number 10, gate, yaitu pintu atau nama lain dari door. Oke, alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. That's as much as I can say. The rest I apologize if there are still many shortcomings and mistakes. Please understand. And thank you very much to the lecturer, Mr. Hafid Ali. Hopefully my video exam segment can meet the requirements the assessment well. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.